In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy a car on Facebook Marketplace with a step-by-step guide to ensure you get the best deal possible. Let's dive into the process and make your car buying journey as smooth and rewarding as can be. First things first, open up Facebook Marketplace. You can do this via the Facebook app on your phone or on your desktop. Once you're there, find the search bar and type in the car model or brand you're interested in, or simply type cars to explore all available options. At this point, it's crucial to make use of the available filters to narrow down your search. Start by selecting a nearby location. This will help you find cars that are easily accessible for inspections or test drives. Next, set your budget by adjusting the price range filter. You can further narrow down your choices by specifying the car's year, mileage, transmission, and fuel type to best match your needs. Once you've tailored your search, it's time to check each listing carefully. Examine the photos provided, focusing on the car's interior, exterior, engine, and odometer. A detailed visual inspection can tell you a lot about the car's condition. Then, read through the description thoroughly. Look for information about the car's registration status, insurance validity, and any recent maintenance. Pay attention to the VIN or plate number if it's provided. Verifying these can give you more insight into the car's history. Additionally, it's wise to compare the listed price to the average market value to ensure you're getting a fair deal. After you've found a potential car, reach out to the seller for more information. Ask when the last maintenance was carried out and whether the official receipt and certificate of registration are clean and under their name. These details are essential to ensure there are no legal issues with the vehicle. If everything checks out, arrange to inspect the car in person. Always meet in a safe, public location like a mall parking lot or a police station, and inspect the car in daylight to identify any potential issues. If possible, bring a mechanic friend to evaluate the engine, brakes, transmission, and under chassis. Look for any inconsistencies in the odometer reading and signs of damage due to accidents or floods. Before finalizing the purchase, thoroughly check the paperwork. Ensure the OR and CR match the seller's name, particularly if it's a second-hand purchase. Verify the deed of sale and ensure there are no open cases, unpaid loans, or encumbrances associated with the car. Negotiation is key to securing the best price. Base your negotiations on the inspection results and ensure the payment method is safe, using bank transfers or conducting transactions at the bank for large amounts. Never pay the full amount without inspecting both the car and the legal documents. Once you've agreed on a price, finalize the sale by signing a deed of sale, ensuring both parties have copies that are signed and notarized. Collect all keys, spare tires, tools, and receipts. Finally, keep safety in mind throughout the process. Be wary of deals that seem too good to be true. Avoid sending deposits to unfamiliar individuals, and opt for sellers with established Facebook profiles. With these steps, you'll be well prepared to find a great car deal on Facebook Marketplace. Happy car hunting!